la la, look at this delicious Ofada sauce. Oh my god, this is super delicious. This is actually my first time to make Ofada sauce. I have never prepared this in my kitchen, but guys, trust me, after making this sauce, oh my god, I will start making it every week because this is just too much. Look at this. Hello everyone, welcome back to Lola Emmanuel TV. I want to appreciate all my subscribers, both new and old. Thank you so much for always coming back around to watch my video. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I say a big thank you to you all for all your love and support. Thank you so much for helping me to grow this channel. Without you guys, I can't build this channel alone. So you are all amazing and lovely. Thank you so much. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make Ofada sauce, also known as Ayamase, or like wife don't cook it. Like wife don't cook it, don't do it. Okay, that's what it means in Yoruba language. Okay, we'll be making Ofada sauce in today's video, and I will be showing you all the things that I will be using. This Ofada sauce is, I can say, is Yoruba local sauce, like green sauce or local delicacy or local stew. All right, so you might have watch a lot of video on how to make this sauce, but in today I'll be showing you my method. This method is very straightforward and it's very simple, and taste so delicious. Okay, the way I prepare mine, if you follow this method, honestly you will love it and you will want to have more of this stew, okay, on this sauce or this stew or sauce, I don't know what we'll be making Ayamase today. All right guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe to Lola Emmanuel TV. Remember to put on the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video, you get notified, you be the first to know. Okay, thank you so much. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Let's go into the cooking. Okay, let me show you all the ingredients that we need to make this Ayamase. So these are the list of the ingredients that you will need to make this Ofada sauce. What I have here is green peppers. This recipe requires you to use green peppers, but I'll be missing it. I'll be using yellow and green to give it a super delicious taste. If you use only green bell pepper, you might not, the taste might not sweet as you will love it to be. So that's why I'm missing mine. You can use only green pepper. You can add other bell pepper, other colors like the red one, you can use it as well. So these are my ingredients. So I have 6 eggs. I'll be using yellow and green bell peppers, some hot chilies, onions, assorted meats, goat meat, shaki and chicken, shaki stripe, and easy cook rice. I have my seasoning powder already and red oil. So these are my ingredients to make this Ofada sauce. So the first thing we're going to do is to season the chicken. We're going to boil the chicken. This is garlic powder, ginger, turmeric, salt, nutmeg, dried thyme, bay leaf, or seasoning cube. So I will add this to the meat and then boil it. here is my bell pepper. I'm going to wash this thoroughly, then I will take out the seed inside. Once I take out the seed inside from the bell peppers, I will go ahead and chop it into small sizes because I will be blending this without pepper. Okay, I will be blending this without pepper. Once I finish cleaning this, I will just cut it into small sizes. Alright guys, so I will blend it. When you want to blend this, you need to use your food processor, because you can also use your other blender, but you don't need a smooth paste. You don't blend this into a smooth paste. Okay, so to make it easier for my blender, I will first blend a little bit of onion. I can blend onion without water. Okay, I can blend onion without water, but I can't do this. My blender can't blend this without water. So I'll first blend my onion into a smooth paste. So I will start adding the bell pepper little by little until I blend everything, all the peppers. Then I will not be parboiling this pepper. I will go ahead. Once I finish blending this pepper, I will use my filter to remove the juice from the pepper. It's okay. You can parboil yours if you want to, but if you don't want to parboil it, you can just use this method. Okay, you can just follow this step as well. Alright, this is the remaining peppers. Okay, this sauce needs to be spicy. Like if you don't like too much pepper, maybe you're having heartburn, or you don't like your food to be too spicy, you can reduce the quantity of this pepper. Have cut this pepper into small sizes. This is my onion in the blender. We first blend the onion. Okay, this I will start by adding the bell pepper. Once I finish blending this, okay, no water, like I said earlier, no water. Once I finish blending it, I will use my filter to extract the juice out of it. Okay, this is ready now, guys. You know what I did to the juice after removing it from this pepper? I have to boil it and drink it, yeah, because it's not going to waste. I was so like, I can't waste this. I cannot waste it, so I have to drink it. You can see the juice so now. It's very green. Yes, he has some in the blender though, but we're going to be using everything to make this. Like I said earlier, you can parboil your pepper to boil it till the water is completely dry. But this method is very simple. Here's my juice. Here's my green juice. So I will be drinking this, but I need to boil it and drink it. Okay, like I said earlier, I'm not going to waste it. Nothing is going to waste. So here is my water. I want to parboil my rice. The chicken has finished cooking, so I have removed it from the gas cooker. I need to parboil my rice. This is how I boil my white rice. I don't wash it direct. I need to parboil it because of the starch. Yes, my chicken now. I'm going to take this chicken out of the pot because I will be using oven to grill this chicken and the rest of the meat. You can add dry fish if you have, locust beans if you have, but I'm using what I have. Okay, here's my green juice. I need to boil this because of the pepper, because this is very hot. So trust me, I'm going to drink this. I won't drink everything once. It take me like takes like 3 days to finish it. So yes, my rice. I have washed my rice again. Then I will boil it until it is like 90% cooked, because I don't like my rice to be overcooked. So I love to, just like the same way you make your fried rice, you don't want it to be over soft. So that's how I love my white rice as well. This Ofada sauce, there is a particular rice they use for it, but I don't like that rice. So I'm using normal easy cook. I will go ahead and grill the meat in the oven. You can see the rice has finished boiling. I don't boil the water. I did not boil it to dry, but I will use my strainer to remove the water. Here's my juice. Now I'm going to drink it. My chicken is out of the oven and I have my pot on fire already. Now I'm going to add palm oil. You need palm oil to make this sauce, but if you don't, you can't find it wherever wherever you are living, you can replace it with normal cooking oil, but red palm oil is required to make this Ofada sauce. You need to bleach the oil. This is the very dangerous part I don't like about this. We need to bleach that oil, and I will turn down my gas cooker at a medium heat. So I will leave that pot there. This might take like 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, after 8 minutes, this is the oil. This oil is completely bleached, like you can see the color have changed. It's no longer red. At this stage, I'm going to turn off my gas cooker. I don't want to burn down my house. Once I turn down my gas cooker, I will allow this to cool down for about 3 to 4 minutes before I will on it again. At this stage, the oil is no longer bringing out smoke. Okay, we'll go ahead and add a little bit of salt, add the chopped onion. Once I will fry this onion for about 2 to 3 minutes. I love frying my onion. Then I will go ahead and add the peppers. Okay, once I finish frying the onion, go ahead and add the peppers. This pepper has no water. You can see it's very dry. Once I add the pepper, I will allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. Then I will add the seasoning cube. Okay, guys, when I was making this sauce, my husband was like, what kind of food are you cooking today now? Instead of you to make pepper soup for me with this assorted meat, you want to cook ayamase. I hope you will eat it. Oh, guys, after I finish cooking this, God say, babe, this thing makes sense. So it's sweet. So I would like to have more of it. He has never asked for second plate of rice since I know him, but this sauce make my husband eat 2 plates of white rice. He love it. In fact, now he want me to be making it all the time. So once I finish adding the seasoning, I will go ahead and add the stock. That's the meat stock, okay, to give it a lovely taste as well. You can see the oil is coming out gradually, but this is still cooking. All right, you can see that green color has changed. I will cover this. I like to cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I have come back to check on this, and I'll go ahead and add the meat. Okay, you can have locust beans, crayfish. I don't even have crayfish at home, so I'll have loved to add it. So I will add the meat. I will stir together. Now this is a very dry meat. I dry this very well. You need a dry meat or dry fish to prepare the sauce. So I will stir. I will allow this to cook for about 3 minutes. Then I will go ahead. After 3 minutes, I will stir again. Then I will add the eggs. Okay, I've peeled the eggs. So okay, you don't have to add eggs into your Ofada sauce, but all the videos that I've watched about this, they added eggs to it. So, and the eggs really make sense. In fact, this not just that the eggs is hard boiled. I don't really like hard boiled eggs, honestly. I love my eggs to be half cooked. I don't like hard boiled, but this is not bad. Now go ahead and taste this for salt to make sure all the seasoning are okay, are perfect. It's perfectly okay. All right. Okay, at this stage, this is ready. Oh my god, look at this beautiful. Oh my god, this is delicious. It was so yummy. All right, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.